refreshing. This is a song about, I don't know, it's called Emo Boy's Technicolour, the Ego Trip. Oh no, wait, it's Emo Boy's Magical Technicolour. Falling further and further away from friendship, having fewer and fewer luck every day. It's time to hit the bottle again. Try to drown your sorrow when your friends don't lie, you're not the fun. Plug nothing and they won't apologize. Try to feel it, but there's just no place for you. The only place is the floor of the bathroom. Come on, get up, get over yourself. Just 'cause they left you on the shelf doesn't mean that they get out of their way to ruin another one of your days. Falling further and further away from friendship, seeing double the color right on your fingertips. It's time to hit the bottle again. Over the head of your best friend. The truth is you'll never admit you feel so empty 'cause you're so full of shit. Try to fit it, but there's just no place for you. And the only place is the floor of the bathroom. Come on, get up, get over yourself. Just 'cause they left you on the shelf doesn't mean that they get out of their way to ruin another one of your days. On the shelf, it doesn't mean that they get out of their way to ruin another one of your days. Don't make a toast to the nobodies. It's time to hit the bottle again. Over the head of your best friend. Don't lie, your pants can fire. Nobody sympathizes with the slight. Try to fit it, but it's just no use. Everyone loves a joke, but no one likes you.